Hello again.
Hello guys.
How are you guys doing? Welcome to a new video. Florida Travelers here again. In this video, we're gonna do something completely different from what we used to do.
We got invited by our host, where the homestay where we were staying in Tuk to a family wedding, a very traditional wedding, a very traditional Batak Toba wedding. Actually, we need to clarify.
Yeah.
And guys, we were leaving today. We were supposed to leave
today,
to
yeah.
Medan, and I woke up and I said, no, we cannot miss this Batak traditional wedding. So here we are. We're having a great time, and we're gonna show you everything about their traditions, about the customs of Batak weddings, how they dress in the Samosir Island. But especially, we want to let you know that it's loud.
It's really loud.
It's really loud.
We don't know, guys, where is the house, but we are still looking. I think we need to call our host.
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's go because we don't know exactly where is the wedding.
Yeah. Let's wait, guys. We're gonna call our host because she is already in the wedding, so we need to reach out to her and see where is the house exactly. It's in this area, somewhere here, in this area, in this village, but we don't know exactly.
Let's ask this kid, maybe. Wedding, marriage, casamiento. Wedding party.
So guys, this is the church actually, right?
Yes, we found it.
Yeah, this is the church that the wedding is gonna be happening.
The Garoga.
Garuga Church, and this is Simangad waterfall that we visited last time in the past video. By the way, if you didn't check it, go below and check it out. We have a video that where we hiked this Simangad waterfall, and it's just beautiful. We enjoyed the hiking. So now let's get to the wedding. Are you excited for a Batak wedding? Huh? You're gonna dance?
Really excited.
You're gonna dance?
Yes, of course. I love to dance.
So guys, we just arrived to the church where the wedding is gonna be. They're already celebrating, so let's get there and see how it looks like. Are you ready for?
I don't know if they're gonna hear.
Are you ready for some Batak traditions?
Yes.
At the beginning of the ceremony, the bride and the groom start performing a traditional Batak dance while relatives and other visitors contributing by giving gifts such as money, furnitures, and accessories to both bride and groom.
So guys, it's lunchtime, so we're gonna get some food here. Food is for free.
Ya di baru nami buat kamu susah tadoki. Paniaran buat kamu tadoki.
Waiting for lunch on the line, right?
Yes. They feed everyone here.
So guys, they offer food here. This is lunch. Bon appetit.
No, I eat rice. You eat the meat.
Mamatika is taking 2 plates. This is the place of the bride and groom, guys. So we're having lunch here.
You're gonna have 2?
Yeah, they give me 2 plates. And Mamatika is here. We are here. And the bride.
Lunchtime is a moment to savor the special Batak cuisine. However, before the meal begins, both families gather together to bless the food, creating a shared sense of gratitude and unity.
Mano daw iroha pikiran na. Mauliya ko man. Iwala jawaban mo.
At the same time, a special dish made with fish and rice is presented to the bride and the groom. However, before the meal begins, both families gather around the couple while blessing the food and praying for their happiness and prosperity. The exchange of money, known as sangat, signifies the groom's family's respect and appreciation for the bride. It acknowledges the bride's family's effort in raising her and symbolizes the value on her by groom's family.
Ya, bukan maksud. Jadi sorry mana janami? Zoma, hopasa atami, somo sinamo hibur munai, hatani situ anamado, naksudanin naburu masamati pesta sangkut dari Badia.
So guys, there was busy some money inside, so we came here to have some cappuccino with locals here. Hello, Horas. This is there doing tapioca, fried tapioca here. How much?
Mangulosi is the process of pinning yulos or cloth handed over by the family to the bride and groom. Mangulosi is a symbol of the love of the giver of yulos to the bride and groom. Handing over the yulos, a traditional hand-woven cloth, on top of each other, symbolizes unity and the merging of the bride's and groom's families. The yulos carries blessings and protection, surrounding the couple with love and well wishes. This ritual preserves cultural heritage, signifies family support and commitment, and is a profound expression of respect and unity, often accompanied by traditional prayers and songs. This is the last stage of a Batak wedding ceremony, where they hand over the yulos over the bride and groom and accompany them inside. After a long day of the wedding, now it's time for the bride and groom to get some rest. So this is it for the Batak wedding. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next one.